Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to use different things in Schoology right now. I am pretending to be one of my old students. Her name is Vanessa. She was pretty cool. So, here's the class she's in. I enrolled her in my fake science course so I can show you guys how this is going to work. So, the first day of school, this is what you're going to see in my classroom. It's going to be a thing with all my tutorial videos. This will actually be in there, so you can look at all these. Still gotta fix that video. And then you've got the assignments for week 1. Okay. Now, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday are a little different, but we're gonna look at Thursday because I've made something. I've made all the things you're gonna use in my class on Thursday. So, first thing you can do is you're going to have a link to click on, which will take you to a Google form. You can also comment in there. If you're having some trouble, it'll send me a notification so I know what to look at. All you have to do is click this, and it'll take you to whatever I want that link to go. Okay, in this case, it's a Google form where you tell me more about yourself. Okay, you guys will fill that out on Thursday. Next, and you can actually go through your assignments by hitting next. So now we have a discussion post. Okay, so you'd write a comment in here. It'll post down there. Sometimes I'll block out the chat until you've posted an answer to the discussion. But all you have to do is type something in here. Say, hello, this is a test. Okay. Oops. Grammar and spelling are important, as I don't do either. He'll post down there, okay? Sometimes I will require approval, okay? So, like, you want to check to make sure you guys are saying beneficial things, okay? Then next we have, okay, a quiz, okay? When this is active, you'll see a bunch of questions you can take. I gotta fix that. You can also put comments in there. Okay, there's going to be a bunch of different practice quizzes you can access. Okay, next thing you guys will see a funny image. Okay, and then you're going to comment on it. Okay, the other thing you're going to do is submit an assignment. Now, this is big. This is how you're going to turn in all your work. Okay, so let's see where this goes. Okay, so we're going to submit an assignment. So how you do this is you're going to need to have that assignment saved onto your program. So right here, it says file. Okay, right here is an audio video recording. Sometimes I'm going to have you record a response and you'll post it there. Other times you'll have a Word assignment to turn in. So we'll click on this, for example, and for the sake of simplicity, I'm just going to find a random Word document or an image file. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to use this image file. Hit open. Okay, now you'll see it's uploading. Okay, once it's complete, you know you're good. If you would like to add a comment so I know what this is is a test assignment to show for the video. Okay, and then you just hit submit. Okay, and what's cool is you can see that you've submitted this assignment, or you can add to your submissions if I send it back to you and you need to do better. You can resubmit the assignment. Okay, also, right? You can just resubmit it right there. Okay. And that's pretty much everything you're going to need to do for my class. There's a few other things over here. You can check your grades. Once those grades are in there, that'll all be right here. So I haven't graded anything, obviously, so Vanessa doesn't have any grades. There's a few mastery things we're not really going to use. You can see who else is in your class. You click on attendance. You can see who's here and if I've marked you present or not. Okay, there's also a few other things that we'll go over as time goes on, but for now, that's pretty much all you need to know for Schoology. Let me know if you have any questions.